If you are having difficulties with your SmartThings Hub, as a last step, you can factory reset the device. This will remove any information or devices previously connected to the SmartThings Hub. First, disconnect the power cable from the hub. Using a paperclip or a similar tool, hold down the reset button on the back of the hub. Continue to hold down the reset button while replacing the power cable. Continue holding the button for 30 seconds. The LED on the front should be flashing yellow. When the LED on the front turns solid yellow, release the reset button. The LED on the hub will now cycle through a few different colors. When the LED blinks red and green, the hub is ready to connect again.